name's Doug Schups. I'm the CNC coordinator, department manager here at AFC Tool. We're a job shop. We primarily do one-off type of operations. We do a lot of items for General Electric, GE ground support for their aviation division, a lot of parts for their power generation division. Our first experience with VoluMill, we had a salesman talk us into giving it a try. Of course, he had what we considered to be rather outlandish claims about the productivity increases that we would see from it. So we, of course, with a great degree of skepticism, allowed him to come in and do a demo for us. So we figured, well, we'll give them the worst case scenario. We'll see what they can do about improving this process. So we took it down to our weakest link machine, being a 3-axis prototrack machine. So we started the program, and everybody took a couple steps back, anticipating flying cutters and all kinds of destruction. But we started it up, and it threw the chips right out on the floor and just worked fantastically. So we decided to take it up a notch, so we took that same part up and stuck it into one of our full-blown CNC machines. Ended up running that part at about 6,000, 6,500 RPMs at about 250 inches a minute. A huge increase in the productivity on that part. Everything that we had tried before, the best time we were able to get out of that particular part was like 34 minutes. We decreased our cycle time down to about 11 minutes on some of our bigger parts. Some of the smaller parts, we went from like 24 minutes down to 6 minutes. As far as I'm concerned, VoluMill, I've said this before, and these are my words, it's the best bang for your buck that you're going to get in productivity utilizing your existing equipment. It really does what it says it can do.